Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Jay Spence and this is Jay Spence. Check this out. Yeah, that shit sounds so good, but check out the intro. Oh, welcome back. So today, actually a different day. I'm actually not going to be doing anything Subi related. I'm going to be heading over to the shop Bumper2Bumper and checking out the IS, figure out what are the last few parts that I need for us to actually start the build, because we're behind schedule mainly on my part. Funding and parts, like for instance, motor mounts from Megan Racing we ordered about 5 or 6 months ago and they came in last week, so stuff like that. Still gotta, I know for sure we gotta get injectors, wastegate, blow off valve, not sure what else, but yeah, I actually got my GoPro mounted with the right bracket and everything, batteries charged, so we're good to go. So I'm gonna record myself driving. Can I get a video of the exhaust? I'm not sure if you can hear it in the last video, but this one you should be able to hear the exhaust and the intake. So yeah, let's get to it and see you when I get to the shop. We are here. I love this car so much. You gotta love it. But we got some of the cars that are out here. We got a 240, a TC, a 350Z. I'm not sure if that's a Camarillo or, oh, that's a B-Dub, I think. And here's the IS. Woo-wee. Still looks the same as when I dropped it off a while back. I'm just glad the fenders are still on there, but here we go. See if you can show you on the inside real fast. Man, this shit's dirty as fuck. Nah, you can't really see on the inside, but I'm gonna go inside and talk to the guys. Tony, Ivan. I'm gonna see if they'll let me vlog inside. If not, I'll give you an update. But hopefully I can. And I can show you that freaking massive turbo that I got for the car. It's gorgeous. So right now I am at the shop and he told me it's a mess, but I can vlog. But man, I'm gonna turn the camera around and you can see what they're working on. Like this car right here in front of me, it's an all-time favorite. this shit nasty. Bring it like that. Alright, so one of my parts did come in. It's Megan Racing, the motor mounts. It took months to get these in. I guess they're made to order now. And he said Megan Racing's actually going to start reproduction of all the older parts. I guess with COVID and manufacturing everything in Taiwan. Kind of delayed production on a lot of things, but it is it. What's up, man? Oh, you look gorgeous. What's up? What's up? Yeah, oh, big ass dog. They are freaking busy here at the shop, but I found the engine. Nice little 240. Here's the engine right here. Got the manifold, the water pump. This is built. Yep. Now I just gotta figure out where the turbo is at. Alright, I'm chilling in the office and we actually got the parts down. So I'm gonna show you the parts that I got. The first part is going to be the Mishimoto oil cooler. What else is in this box? Instructions. Oh, okay. Okay, we got oil cooler. Next is the Mishimoto trans cooler. Look, this out. With mounted hardware. It's for a transmission. Guess I'm saying automatic. One with radium. And this is my direct mount regulator. Hey, these aren't the air assist, right?
What's up?
These aren't the air assist, right?
Ooh. Sure, I mean, if you already, I think we already went through this. I don't think so.
They're not?
I don't think so.
Alright, so we just figured out that these are made for the air assist on the car. So the air assist is some whole California thing where it helps oxygenate the fuel for the California regulations. But this right here is my Go Fast Bits boost controller. What is this? My Marlboro. This is the 450 Hellcat fuel pump. Let's see if it says anything on here. Yeah, this is the 450. So I gotta order another one along with the fuel pump hanger. And this is the fuel rail right here from Radium as well. Radium. Okay, and there's one last thing. this is what it's gonna be the money maker. Oh, this shit's big and heavy. It's a board warner. This is the S300 series. I believe it's the S366. Wow, man, this shit's heavy. I don't want to just sit on the ground. You know, I'm gonna put this down, the camera down for a second, actually sit the turbo up somewhere so I can actually get a better view. Well, this is all the parts that I got right now. We sat down for about 2 hours trying to go over all the parts that I have, all the parts that I need. Like I said, the motor mounts we waited for 3 months. Like, we both completely forgot they were coming. So now I just gotta order these last few parts. And then another thing is this blow valve for this intercooler piping that I need. And they're gonna do all the lines, like whether it's fuel lines, brake lines, yeah, everything. They're gonna take care of that. But yeah, I'm gonna put everything away, let them know I'm done, and go broke. Alright, so you saw the parts that I have, kind of give you an update of what's going on. You saw the car, the turbo, and whatnot. Yeah, I gotta wrap this video up right now because I gotta go take care of a few things. But like always, please like, comment, subscribe. Please turn on that bell notification and stay tuned to the next video.